what we want to do before we start diving into all of the features and functions of the Office package, we need to go in and add all of our details, because we want to do this ahead of making any documents, because the way the system works is it pulls through a lot of information and applies it to the PDFs that you'll send to a customer, which will save you time in the long run. So it's worth just taking 5 minutes now just to add your details in ahead of time so you don't have to do it in the future. Once it's saved, you're good to go. So to access the settings, you'll see at the top there's an option to hit your settings in the circle. There's a little cog icon. We hit that, and then we've got a bunch of different options here. You've got account, you've got Office, you've got extras. We're just going to dive into your details. So here, as we did with the sign-up process, it's already pulled through your first and last name. Then there's just a few more details that you can add. You can add a personal photo, your date of birth, additional contact numbers, and additional information regarding your trade, so years in the trade, and if you did an apprenticeship. So I'm going to go ahead and add some details here. We're just going to take a quick picture. Now that's uploaded, let's move on and add a date of birth. So I'm just going to add a random date in there. Next, we've got phones. Here is where you can add an additional phone number. So you might have an office number, you can add that as well. You just type that in here and add. I'm just going to leave that for now. And then at the bottom, your trade, years in trade. Let's put 20 years in the trade. Did we do an apprenticeship? Yes, why not? And that's everything for your personal details. That's all we ask for. Next, we will move on to your company details.